Hayi, injalo ayijiki uma isitshe. Yeah. Yay. Yay, ake sithi inteke sithunuke. uMakoti Ka Mlanjwana. All right. Yeah. So, I want to talk about the wife of a child that grew up under the mother's surname. A male child. Yes, he has his father, but his father didn't really do much. And the child grew up under the mother's family, and they ended up doing some customs for this child. Right? Then, as time goes by, the child ends up reaching maturity and gets married. Remember those children that grew up on the mother's side and customs are done for them are called uMakoti. They will never be older than inkosana. They will never. Thanda engathandi. They will never ever be older than inkosana. Ngisho sethanda. Emsam. Ayikho into azoyikhuluma kulalelwe yena kukhona inkosana. Forget it. You can try trickery, try to replicate, try using that person's scent. Nizamiza mrekafule nani lutho. Inkosana iyaziwa. Inkosana kunento eyenziwa kuyo. Go and look up something called ukulokotwa. Look it up, researchers. Look it up. What is ukulokotwa? Who goes through that? Ubani owenziwa njalo? Yeah. Right. So this child grows and they get married. Malume agcine sehambe embikela isimo senxiwa lakhe umuzi wakhe nalo nkosikazi wakhona. They will never have the power over inkosana or iy'ngane zenkosana. Angiphathi ke inkosana uma isiganiwe. Forget it. Ningahlangana nibe imbumba, ithi sihlangene thina siyimbumba. uMakoti la ekhaya. Akayeni uMakoti la ekhaya, uMakoti nje kodwa uyothobela isimo somakoti wenkosana mihla namalanga. Thanda engathandi. This person can be there. Yes, they'll never be the anchor of the family. Never. Kukhona umakoti wenkosana. Ngisho esethanda. One thing you must know is that this person is not chosen by the elders. This person is not chosen by amathonga. Amathonga awamkhethi uMakoti Ka Mlanjwana. Kodwa amathonga ayamkhetha umakoti wenkosana. Sharp ne? Phile njani yaso?